right now we're taking off the Power Enterprise turbo system, so we're just gonna take it off step by step. So I got these ones loose, so I'm gonna take these ones off. And then this last one's gonna be a little bit harder to get to, but so now that that's off, that kind of frees up more space for us to get this piece off. And there's a gasket that could be replaced, but that's what it looks like. Okay, these ones should also be 10 millimeters. It's off. Holy fuck. Alright, so this hose right here just pops right off once you loosen this clamp. And then you got this little hose you gotta take off. Then the last piece that you need to take off is right here. This okay, so once you loosen that all the way, this thing just comes right off. This hose right here is gonna feed right through that and attach to this hole right there. Got it. Alright, so this thing's gonna come off. It's already coming loose. Things are going good. So you're gonna get this header all the way off. Once you get this one loose, these other ones will loosen up so that you can pull them out. And guess what? We're home free. So with this piece right here,
super easy. You just got 2 bolts right over here, and then you have to take these 2 top off the right here, and then another 2 right over here.
And these are all 10 millimeter
They're all
bolts.
10 millimeter bolts.
And then
super simple.
All one piece. Obviously you got your hoses here. The only thing that you really need to focus on is there's going to be a little tube on the bottom right here that you need to take the hose clamp down a little bit and then just pull right up on this and it'll come right off.
So that's what we're gonna do right now. Just grab some pliers, pull that thing off. Hold up. It's coming off, we got it. Just pull it now.
All right, so there's that piece. Okay, so this is the left side. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take off this oil line right here. It looks like you already got it off. Or
I got her. She's coming.
Yeah. So get that off. Next, we're gonna do the same thing that we did before. We're gonna take off these. There should be 4 of these, and then we're gonna have to get the ones that are tucked in here, which are the 14 millimeter ones. We bag it up so that everything is organized. So you got your gasket, and then you keep all your nuts in there. We have everything labeled, so this side is the left side, and we have the right side the same way. Everything's bagged up so we can see it. So we want to thank you guys for watching. This is day 1 of this build. Tomorrow we're going to get into the core of the engine, and we're going to show you how to do it. But for now, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. We out.